Hey guys, Carl King here with King Print Design. We're going to discuss today how I take a PNG file that I've been sent by a client and turn it into a special plate as well as print file. That way I can get a certain look using clear, or spot white in my printing process. So this is files only saving. So if this is what you're here for, here we go. So this is my PNG file. As you see, it's all connected. It's not individual. I'm going to have to make it separate. So I start by, I want a few layers. I'm going to add an extra layer just in case. So it gives me 4 layers. But nonetheless, starting off here, I want to go to image trace. I'm going to do this as a black and white just because it'll probably separate better. There it is. Then we're going to go to our properties, expand, ungroup. Now then, I've got what I want. I can get rid of that. So this is what I'm going to be working with mainly. So first off, I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the entire thing, and I want to change its size because I'm going to be doing a 3-inch sticker. I want to make sure that everything is sized correctly. Now then, move it all over here. And I'm going to click that. That's just the one letter in there. We're going to go to select, same. We're going to go to fill color. So that selects all that. So and we'll get rid of it. Go back to my layers. I'm going to save that as its own layer. So now, and then we'll get rid of that. Now it's highlighted. I'm also going to change the color of it to black because I'm going to be doing a ghost color on here, correct? So that's what I'm wanting to do. So we'll get rid of that. But now see, I've got this, right? I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to change that. Get rid of all this in the middle. Let's just get rid of it. Make me an ellipse tool. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to size it 3 by 3. And align it. So I want my center to be black. I need an outline, but I got to have a special cut line. So this is going to be my cut line. So I've got my cut line already made for my sticker. I'm going to do a full cutout. And then, so that's all it's going to be. So I'm going to do what I'm calling a ghost sticker, right? So only the clear is going to be the wording, and that's all I'm going to do is the clear on there. So I will go ahead and I'll save this, save as, and I save everything as a PDF because it keeps the artboard size. So that's the key on all that. I'm going to put this as Fear No Evil, color, and cut. I'll save that. Save PDF. Now I'm going to get rid of that. I'll bring this one in, and I've got the same thing. So that's going to be my clear or my white, spot clear, whatever I want it to be. That's going to be what it is. Save as, and then I just tend to save it as what I want. Spot color. I can put clear or white. If I'm doing a multi-layer where I'm doing a spot white and a spot clear, I'll put spot white, spot clear, so that I know that that stuff, what that file will be. A lot of times I'll do that on my business cards, and I'll save it. And that's all there is really to doing a spot color. It's that simple. And I'm ready to go to the printer with it, print my sticker. I'll build my files in my raster link or whatever your RIP work stuff is, and build that file, send my printer, and send it away. And it'll print, cut, and do everything I need it to do. So if this helps you out any, you can give me a like and a follow. Again, my name is Carl King with King Print Design, and I hope I've helped y'all out. Stay humble, but know your worth.